2.3 exercises in the set 10th class. Now we are learning 2.4. State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. Empty set. There is no any common element is called empty. So here it is, the set of lines passing through a point. One point. So there are number of lines passing through the point. Is it empty or not empty? It is not empty set. Not empty. Set of all natural divisible by 2. All natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So, is divisible by 2? No. It is empty set. Next, x such that x is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 7. 5 element below x. 5 కంటే తక్కువ 7 కంటే ఎక్కువ. So there is no number. Empty set. x less than 5. 5 కంటే తక్కువ. x greater than 7. 7 కంటే ఎక్కువ. So empty. Next, x such that x is a common point to any two parallel lines. So these are parallel lines. Any common point? No, it is not common point. It is empty set. Next, set of even prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Is there any even prime numbers? Yes, 2 is even number. It is also prime number. It is not empty set. So next, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Finite, countable set is called finite. Not countable set is called infinite. So a set months in a year. How many months in a year? 12 months. So it is a finite set. 1, 2, 3, 4, excess 99, 100. It is a countable. It is also finite. Next, the set of prime numbers smaller than 99. So, prime numbers. Suppose 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, 19, 13, 17, 19, excess. Below 99. It is also finite set. Next, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Same as well as the set of letters in the English alphabet. English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. Countable. It is finite. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. These are x-axis, y-axis. There is number of lines parallel line. Uncountable. So infinite. Next, the set of numbers which are multiply of 5. Multiply of 5 numbers 5, 10, 15, 20. Lot of numbers. It is also infinite. Next, the set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. So this is origin. There are lot of circles passing through the origin. So lot of circles. It is also infinite. to find four exercises completed. So some on sets. N of A is equal to 24, N of B is equal to 18, N of A and B is equal to 9. Find N of A and B. Solution 1. N of A and B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So N of A is equal to 24 plus N of B is equal to 18 minus N of A intersection B 9. 24 plus 18 42 minus 9. So 42 minus 9 33. Okay, next to second, the sum. Solution 2. Set A. This is set A. 1, 2. Next to set B. Set B. These are set B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to A and B. A 1, 2 union B 1, 2, 3, 4. So A and B 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to B. Next to A intersection B 1, 2 intersection 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to A. Next to number of B, the elements in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, number of B is equal to 4 elements. What do you notice relation case of set A, B? The relation set A, B, A subset of B, the elements in A and in B. So the relation between A and B, A subset of B. Next third, solution third. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find A minus B union B minus A. First A minus B union B minus A. First A minus B. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A minus B. The elements are in A, not in B. The elements are in A, not in B. 1, 2, 3. The elements are in A, not in B. So A minus B, 1, 2, 3. Next B minus A. B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B minus A, the elements are in B, not in A. So 4, 5, 6, the elements are in B. 4, 5, 6. So A minus B union B minus A. A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3 union B minus A is equal to 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A minus B union B minus A. Next some a union b minus a intersection b. Same solution. A union b minus a intersection b. A union b minus a intersection b. First A union b. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to A union B total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A union B. Next to A intersection B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intersection 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to A intersection B. Common elements. So 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Next to A union B minus A intersection B. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus A intersection B 4, 5. So A union B minus A intersection B. The elements are in A union B, not in A intersection B. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. The elements are in A union B, not in A intersection B. So observe what? A minus B union B minus A is equal to union B minus A intersection B. It is also A delta B. It is said that A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. So we are learning to lot of sums in sets. So I will give the assignment test on sets. So you will write the assignment and you will show your maths teacher in 10th class. Thank you very much.